Hi, I'm Jake and I'm going to help you get started with your new Hoover SmartWash Pet Carpet Washer. First, take off the clean water tank and fill it to the top with warm water. Secure the cap and press the tank back on. Next, take the solution tank from the back and fill it with Hoover's Paws and Claws formula, or your preferred Hoover solution. You can also add one of our available Clean Compliments carpet cleaning formula boosters. Simply add it in along with the Hoover solution of your choice. SmartWash Pet also includes the detachable Spot Chaser Wand for pre-treating tough stains. Press the clips on either side to remove the pre-treat tank, add your Spot Chaser Pretreat solution, then resecure the tank to the wand. To use the Spot Chaser, press here to release it. Then simply aim and push the button to pre-treat spills and stains. Allow several minutes for the solution to absorb into the fibers. Then, cleaning with SmartWash is easy. Just step on this pedal to recline, and this pedal to turn it on. Slowly push forward to clean. Push much slower than you would vacuum. SmartWash Pet automatically washes as you push forward and dries while you pull back. For best results, rinse your carpets by removing the solution tank and repeating the cleaning steps to get rid of any residual solution. If your carpets are still damp, press the Dry Only button to continue extracting water as you push forward and pull back. To use the hose and tools, stand up the carpet cleaner so your power brushes stop spinning, open the hose connection port, and firmly push the hose in. Then connect the tool to the other end. Hold the tool above the area you wish to clean. Press the trigger to spray water and solution on the area. Release the trigger, lay the tool down flat, and scrub to loosen any debris. Then finally, tip it forward and pull back slowly to extract the dirt and water. And that's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at hoover.com.